All right, everybody give me a mushroom tip. I should have reworded that. Yeah, that was bad.
Everybody give me a mushroom tip.
You're hot, Ryan.
I'm always fucking hot.
Says who?
I've been told that for a long time.
Mushroom tip, kung fu grip.
Mary's good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're
Kung
good.
fu grip on the mushroom tip.
Oh,
One at a time.
go ahead, Ryan.
Kung fu grip on the mushroom tip.
You're good as long as you stay at that level of.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Maybe I should just move the mic away from my face.
There's no way.
Talking to a baby.
There's no way he can stay at that level. And
No.
you and I both know that. All of us know that.
You're clipping a little bit, Mike. Can you turn down just a touch?
How about now?
Try it again.
Mushroom tip on Tony's lip.
Yep, you're good. That's a lot to take in at one time.
Chicken skin. Chicken skin. Chicken skin. Chicken skin.
Dude.
No. You gotta let everybody hear the last one. My song, my chicken skin song.
Oh, okay, here we'll do it again.
You guys haven't heard this, have
Chicken
you?
Here we
skin. Chicken skin. Chicken skin. Chicken skin. Chicken skin. Hey, would you like some chicken skin? Lordy, I bet you would.
Oh my God.